While I was surfing, I got to know about the AlmaBetter. So after joining right here, I'm in front of you, securing a job in the field of data science. Hi, I'm Swathi. I was working as a mathematics professor in Dayanand College. Actually, pay after placement is the point which, made me join AlmaBetter because I wanted to get into the data science field, not just learn and live it off. I wanted to secure a career in it. And I had a very sure assurance of, placing somewhere. And even we had an option of paying after the placement. The first thing is it's assignments. Many of the things we didn't know properly, we didn't know certain topics. That means like those concepts are very important for the interview. So those things we got trained in the assignment section. And second thing is the mentoring. So we used to meet our mentor every week. So she was super active and she was the one who was behind our motivation and everything. So I used to study only because of her. Like